Alright, so today we're going to talk about diphthong UA, right? So let's just go straight to the definition or what the diphthong really is. So it's a vowel combination UA, has no real English equivalent, but can be reproduced by combining the OO of the word boot with the A of the word papa. And papa, as you've seen before, it means potato, right? And if you have an accent over the letter A, I mean the last one, the last letter of that word, it is papa, which means father, right? So alright, so this means you're combining oo, the sound of oo, and the a on the word papa, right? So be sure to combine these two sounds into a single sound. Note that when there is a written accent or the letter u, the diphthong is broken and the two vowels pronounced separately, and that the rule about the accent, right, or letter is similar to all the diphthongs that we have seen so far, right? So whenever you have a written accent or any of the letters in that combination, the vowel sounds are pronounced separately. So with that said, let's go to some examples.
Listen to the following words. They all contain the UA diphthong.
Agua, agua, agua.
So remember, it is OO and A, right? So, and that combination appears towards the end of the word, or the later half of the word. So it's
Agua, agua, agua.
it sounds more like agua, agua, ua. So take it as OO and A, right? So agua, and obviously A is A, and instead of you are replacing with OO, right? Double O. So agua, agua, agua.
Agua, agua,
But I'm not hearing the G. I'm not sure about you, but
agua.
agua. It's very subtle. So agua, water.
Adecuado,
All right. So UA we have some here. Adecuado,
adecuado.
adecuado, adequate.
Aduana,
Aduana, customs. So I think now we got the sense of how it's pronounced. Let's just go about a little faster now.
aduana.
Aduana,
Ecuador,
Ecuador.
igual, igual,
Notice again that they're not pronouncing the G, right? It's very, very subtle, or it's hardly being pronounced.
igual,
It's more like igual, igual. And I would think that even water is like agua, right? And this is igual.
guapo,
Guapo. This is obviously pronounced
guapo,
guapo.
Listen and repeat. Concentrate on combining the two vowels into a single syllable in the manner of the native speakers.
Agua, 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 agua.
Agua.
Adecuado,
Adecuado.
aduana.
Aduana.
Ecuador,
Ecuador.
igual,
Igual.
guapo,
Guapo.
Since these words have a written accent over the letter U, the diphthong is broken and the two vowels are pronounced separately.
Púa,
Pua. So there's an accent on U, so obviously U is emphasized in terms of pronunciation.
Garua.
Garua.
Cacatua.
Kakatua.
Grúa.
Grua.
Continúa.
Continua.
Ganzúa.
Ganzua.
Listen and repeat. Every other word has a diphthong.
Agua.
Agua.
Púa.
Pua.
Adecuado.
Adecuado.
Garúa.
Garua.
Aduana.
Aduana.
Cacatúa.
Cacatua.
Ecuador.
Ecuador.
Grúa.
Grúa.
Igual.
Igual.
Continúa.
Continúa.
Guapo.
Guapo. And the last one is
Ganzúa.
Ganzua. Alright folks, this is a little different in the sense we don't have that combination in English, so we're using parts of two words, I mean the sounds to pronounce it, like O and A, so uwa, right? So the next video we'll be looking at consonant S. So until then, see you next time.